Welcome back everybody. We are in exercise 4.5 presenting here the multiple choice question answer for the fourth unit. Okay, so the first question given here is, if in a triangle ABC and EDF, AB by DE is equals to BC by FD, then will they be similar when? Now what we do first here is, so we draw two triangles of ABC and DEF, and in these two triangles, because it is given that AB by DE, so AB from the first triangle the side AB and the second triangle the side DE, we mark this as one stroke, that is the side AB and DE. Then what we do, we mark the second BC and DF or FD as double stroke. So we identify these two sides. So this will be similar only when the angle in between are equal. So angle B should be equal to angle D, and the option for it is C. Hence the correct answer is angle B equal to angle D. That option is C. Now we are coming to second question. In triangle LMN, angle L is equals to 60 degree, angle M is equals to 50 degree. If both the triangles LMN and PQR are similar, then find the value of R. So what we do is, first, so as in given, we draw the triangle LMN, angle 60, angle 50. So by angle sum property, we find the value of angle N. So angle N becomes 70 because these two triangles are similar. Hence therefore the value of angle R should be equal to angle N, which is 70, and the answer for this is B. Question number 3. If triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with angle C is equals to 90 degree and AC equal to 5 cm, then the value of AB is. So first we draw the right angle triangle. As we draw right angle triangle, we mark here, because it is an isosceles triangle, we write phi 2 times. By Pythagorean formula, we write phi square plus phi square equal to AB square. So it becomes 25 plus 25, which is nothing but 50. 50 can be written as phi root 2. Okay. So the answer for this is D. Next question number 4. In the given figure, ST is parallel to QR. So ST is parallel to QR. PS equal to 2 cm. SQ is equals to 3 cm. The ratio of the area of triangle PQR and the area of triangle PST is. For this we write the given statement as area of triangle PQR by area of triangle PST is equals to, we can take any side. So the given sides are PQ by PS the whole square, which is 5 by 2 the whole square, which is 25 by 4. Can be written as 25:4. So the answer for this is A. Now the condition arises, how do you know that this is possible? This is given in page number 164, the fourth condition. You can see the condition in this page number 164, fourth condition. Now we are coming to next question. The perimeter of the two similar triangle are triangle ABC and triangle PQR, which are given to be 36 cm and 24 cm respectively. If PQ is equals to 10 cm, then the length of AB is. So for this question, again you can go back to page number 164 and see the third condition. So according to the given third condition, what we can do is, we can write the area of triangle ABC by area, perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ. So areas are given 36 and 24, AB is as it is, PQ is 10. So we cross multiply this, calculate here, it becomes 10 into 3 by 2. Again we cancel, it becomes 15. Hence therefore AB is equals to 15 cm. Option for that is D. Now question number 6. Question number 6 states that if in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AB is 3.6 cm, AC is 2.4 cm and ED is 2.1 cm, then the length of AE is. So we are given with 4 options. We see whichever is correct. So as we see, the side given is AB is 3.6, AD is 2.1 and AC is 2.4. So according to the given condition, AD by AB is equals to AE by AC. We substitute the values. Because we don't know AE, we write this as X and then we cross multiply and then we calculate this. 2.4 and 3.6 goes twice and thrice in 1.2, hence therefore we just multiply, it becomes 1.4 centimeter, hence the value of X equal to 1.4 and the option for this is A. Now we are coming to question number 7. So please subscribe for the channel, get the regular updates, get the answer for the difficult part of the textbook. Now we are in question number 7. In a triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of BAC. If AB is equals to 8 cm, BD is equals to 6 cm, DC is equals to 3 cm, the length of the side AC is. So first we draw the triangle. पढ़ेंगे कैसे? Hence therefore ABC is a triangle in which this is being equal. So 8, 6 and 3 is given to us. So we write AB by BD is equals to AC by DC equal to 8 by 6 is equals to X by 3. So what we do, we just cross multiply 3 to the other side of equal to. It becomes 8 into 3 by 6. So X equal to 4. Hence the given option B is correct. Okay. Now we are coming to question number 8. In the adjacent figure, angle BAC equal to 90 degree, AD is perpendicular to BC, then. So we are given with the triangle and the perpendicular sides are given. So what do we do first is, so we are given with the case ADB is similar to ADC. So BD by AD is equals to AD by CD. Then we just cross multiply AD to the other side of equal to and CD to the diagonal side of equal to. So it becomes BD dot CD is equals to AD square. Hence option C is correct. Okay. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates. So I'll be uploading for 10th standard, 12th standard. Share with your friends. Get all the regular updates. Press the like button if you like the video. Any comments if you want to make, please, you are welcome. Any specific topic if you want to cover, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.